In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify the menu in WordPress using Elementor. This is a critical skill for anyone wanting to personalize their website and ensure that visitors can easily navigate through your content. Whether you're a newcomer to web design or someone with a bit of experience under your belt, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, let's start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. It's the control hub of your website where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side where you'll see a menu item labeled Appearance. Hover over it and you'll notice a submenu popping up. Click on the Menus option from this list. This is where you can either create a new menu or edit an existing one to better suit your site's needs. If you're beginning from scratch, you'll want to create a new menu. On the other hand, if you already have a menu that just needs a few tweaks, simply select it from the list. Now, to actually add items to your menu, you'll use the panels on the left side of the screen. These panels allow you to choose from pages, posts, custom links, and categories. Simply check the items you wish to include and click the Add to Menu button. One of the great features of WordPress menus is the drag and drop functionality. This is super handy when you want to arrange the order of your items or create a hierarchy for submenus. Simply click and drag an item to reposition it, and to create a submenu, drag it slightly to the right under the parent item. This indentation signifies that it's nested under a main menu item, making your menu look more organized and aesthetically pleasing. For greater customization, you can also rename labels and add custom link URLs. If you're knowledgeable in CSS, there's an option to assign CSS classes to specific menu items for further styling. Additionally, you have the ability to add title attributes, which can be helpful for adding tooltips or for SEO purposes. To access these options, click the small arrow next to each menu item to reveal additional settings. After making these customizations, it's important to assign your new or updated menu to a specific location on your website. Whether you want it featured as your primary navigation bar, nestled in the footer, or anywhere else your theme allows, you'll define this under the Manage Locations tab. Alternatively, you can also set the location using the WordPress Customizer, which gives you a real-time preview of how your menu will appear on your site. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now able to modify your WordPress menu using Elementor, providing your visitors with a tailored browsing experience that reflects the structure and style you envision for your website. Happy customizing!